Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.3% against the yen. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The oil dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
U.S. stocks painted a mixed picture as investors digested how strong economic news could inform the Federal Reserve's thinking on interest rate hikes. Several investment fund providers have tried to launch the first spot Bitcoin ETF since the SEC permitted futures-backed Bitcoin ETFs in October, but none have succeeded. The dollar rose to multi-week highs against other major currencies after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell surprised investors by leaving the door open to larger and faster than expected interest rate hikes.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French gross domestic product will be released at 0630 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. Australia's producer price index will be released at 0130 GMT. The US personal spending at 1330 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.